Welcome to Lesson 8. Go ahead and knock out the first page of your lesson. All right, we're going to get moving on with this lesson. It's going to be a really short and sweet lesson. It's going to be the last time that we're really working with equivalent fractions just in inequality statements, and we only have one main dish to do today before you get to move on to your dessert. We're going to do a couple examples together. So turn to that main dish. And this time, instead of writing yes, no, true, false, we're going to use the actual symbols of equal to or not equal to, equivalent or not equivalent. Now that we know how to create equivalent fractions and check equivalent fractions using multiplication and division, you're going to see a mixture of that within the following problem. So, for example, when I'm looking at 5/15 and 1/3, my rule is going to be divide by 5, copy and paste that rule, check, check. So these fractions are equivalent. Going over to 4 6 8/10, my rule this time is to multiply by 2, copy paste that rule, yes, no, not equivalent. So go ahead and complete the rest of these. The bottom two problems are creating two equivalent fractions for the fractions 1/6 and for 2/3. Remember, we might have different answers on that depending on what you multiply them versus me. All right, and like I said, that's the only main dish that you have today for lesson 8, so you can get going with your dessert.